comes the alarm. Okay. This arm is here. Comes with the app on the phone. You can be anywhere in the world. You don't need a hotspot or nothing. This unit hooks up to the linker server, so you don't need to do nothing with your cell phone provider. Have a hotspot on the vehicle, nothing like that. The voltage of the battery, the signal of the unit. I'm going to go ahead and remote start it. Okay. So it's going to start right now. Pretty windy day today. Off there. Okay. Then it comes with two remotes. If you don't want to do it from the phone, this one is arm, this one's disarm. Twice here will remote start the vehicle, and then twice you turn it off. I'm going to go ahead and arm the vehicle, I mean the truck. Bang on the window, the alarm will go off. It gets a notification. Somebody opens the door, the alarm will set off. My watch told me a loud environment, so just to protect my ears. I'm probably deaf by now. I've been doing alarms for 30-something years. Probably deaf by now. Loud environment, sound level hit 30 dBs. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna open the door. The alarm's gonna go off. You just press the unlock, that will turn off the alarm. So basically you can remote start this vehicle from anywhere in the world. It's nice to do it in case you have it at the yard and you want to warm it up in the winter, or in the summer you leave the AC on, or vice versa, you leave the heater on. You can start the truck, it will run for 30 minutes, and by the time you get to the yard it's nice and warm, the diesel's ready to go, and you're ready to go. Somebody breaks in to steal the computer or whatever you got going on in your truck, the alarm's going to fire off and you'll get the notification in your phone. You already saw all the functions on the phone. You can arm and disarm it. Oh, it does have GPS. I'll show you guys the GPS. If you hit this bottom button here, and then at the top, it shows you GPS. He doesn't live here, so I'm able to show you location. And I'm able to switch over to satellite image. Okay. So it comes with GPS as well. Finally, after a few years of talking these guys over to switching the pictures and putting pictures of trucks, they finally did. So yeah, this is the Excalibur linker unit installation towards this vehicle. If you're out of state, no problem. Just feel free to call me. My number is 305-298-4814. You can schedule a load somewhere in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, and we come out to you like this guy did. He was doing a load here, and we met him here, and we did the install while he was unloading. It takes about an hour to do it takes me about an hour to do the install, an hour and a half maybe, the most. We're in Miami. If you can't come over because you're too far in the other end of the world, like California and stuff like that, we do have installation videos that we can sell you the kit already prepped up, program. We set up your phone or app over the phone. We make sure you get the alarm notification. We plug it in our bench. We make sure that all that is panned out on the phone. Everything is programmed. And then we have the installation video, exactly how to install it step by step. Don't worry, I never had anybody who wasn't able to do it. Made the video for dummies, pretty much showing you step by step. Our numbers again are 305-298-4814. So you have two choices. Either you come to us and find a load and we'll do it for you, or you can buy the kit and we can guide you over the phone how to do it. We have it for Peterbilt, and we have it for Volvo, and we're working on other trucks as we get them. We're starting to film because over the years people didn't have a problem coming to us, but now that the gas went up and times have changed and loads and stuff like that, I understand that you know, you can't take the time to, or you don't have the money to swing by or pick up a load in Miami because things gotten tough in Miami or whatever, that's no problem. You can give us a call and we can ship you the unit and provide you with the installation video so you can do this install yourself, and we can help you over the phone in case you have a problem. Thank you for watching this video.